Relationships meaning. A relationship is a connection or bond between two or more individuals, characterized by various forms of interaction, emotional attachment, and shared experiences. These connections can take many different forms and occur in various contexts, including romantic relationships, friendships, family bonds, and professional associations. Here's a breakdown of the meaning of relationships in different contexts. Romantic relationships. In the context of romantic relationships, a relationship typically involves two individuals who share an emotional and often physical connection. Romantic relationships can range from dating to marriage, and they typically involve deep emotional intimacy, affection, and romantic love. Friendships. Friendships are non-romantic relationships based on mutual affection, trust, and shared interests. Friends provide emotional support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. Family relationships. Family relationships are the bonds between individuals who are related by blood or legal ties. These relationships can include parent-child, sibling, and extended family connections. Professional relationships. Professional relationships are formed in the workplace and are typically based on shared goals, collaboration, and mutual respect. These relationships can be between colleagues, supervisors and subordinates, or with clients and customers. Acquaintances. Acquaintances are people you know but may not have a deep or close relationship with. These interactions are typically casual and may not involve significant emotional attachment. Social relationships. Social relationships can encompass a broad range of connections, including those with neighbors, community members, or people you meet through shared social activities or organizations. Online relationships. In the digital age, people can form relationships through online platforms and social media. These connections may include friendships, romantic relationships, or professional connections. Relationships serve various purposes in people's lives, such as providing emotional support, companionship, love, a sense of belonging, and opportunities for personal growth. They can also be a source of joy and fulfillment. However, relationships can also involve challenges, conflicts, and the need for effective communication and compromise to maintain healthy and meaningful connections. Ultimately, the meaning of relationships lies in the depth of the connections, the shared experiences, and the impact they have on an individual's life and well-being.